Hello, everyone. This is Scott Nash with the Creative Cosmos, and I am here with the lovely Malin Faulkner. Over the past few weeks, I have ran into Malin several times at different functions and networking events. And today, when I was at an event, she was showing me something that she's up to that I thought a lot of people in the Creative Cosmos community could benefit from. And so she's here at the studio here, and she is a certified trainer on infinite possibilities. So now, I don't know if you know, if you've read the book or if you're familiar with Mike Dooley. I'll hold it up here. Um, get it right in the middle there. Mike Dooley, he is with the website Notes from the Universe. And a lot of people follow him. He's got a zillion followers on Facebook and on his email list. I love his Notes from the Universe. I'm on his email list, actually. A lot of people may have known him from The Secret. He was in The Secret. And so when I was excited that she is actually teaching concepts from this book, and so we'll just jump right into it. The workshop that you put together, is this your first workshop that you're doing for this?
Actually, no, it's the third time that I'm teaching this.
Oh, fantastic. Okay, great. And so tell us a little bit about, first of all, how you got into even coming up with this idea that you said, I want to teach a workshop on these concepts.
Well, thank you for the question. Actually, it's interesting because what Mike teaches is thoughts become things. And I had been wanting to expand some along the lines of running sound at conferences like this because what I realize my passion is inspiring awakenings with everything I do. And one of those things is I run sound at conferences and trainings like this. So I went to a Train the Trainer and was actually invited to run sound for his event. And that spurred me into being able to travel with him and train at his next event, which was in Boston several months later after the Denver event I ran sound for. And after seeing his event twice, I realized that I was so in line with his thoughts become things and how he trains people to live their dreams that I wanted to become a certified trainer. So his next event in San Diego this past March, I went and actually became a trainer, a certified trainer myself.
Wow, man. And then you've done two other things since then?
I've done
classes.
two myself.
To yourself.
Yes.
Okay, great. And then what brought you into just even wanting to do something like this?
Well, actually, I have had a lot of exposure. I worked in the production department at Mile High Church in Lakewood, Colorado. And so I had run sound and lights and been backstage and that kind of stuff for people like Wayne Dyer, Deepak Chopra, Marianne Williamson, all those folks. And so I am so in line with all of their teachings that this is a way to combine it all.
Wow,
and all the experiences that I've had to actually teach people how to live their dreams.
Great. And I know you mentioned earlier, we were talking about off camera a little bit, it's a 6-hour workshop.
Exactly.
And tell us a little bit more about what some of the key points of what people can expect when they go there. How much it is, things like that.
Yeah, absolutely. The 6-hour workshop is only $97, and it's so jam-packed full of information, fun, music. I'm a musician, and so I actually use music throughout the class to emphasize points along the lines of things that have happened to me personally, things that I've witnessed of other people, and how this positive thinking works, including how when you change your music, you change your life. That's actually a talk that I did for BHS last January. So it's all about just getting out of your own way, finding the blocks that might be blocking you, letting them go, and taking those next steps towards your dreams, because we all deserve to live our dreams.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much. I know there's probably a ton of information that people want more on the Infinite Possibilities workshop. And so if people want to find more about the workshop, it's November 8th, 6-hour class. What should they do?
Absolutely. They should give me a call. You can reach me on my cell phone anytime at 720-231-6797. My email address is also Mailyn, MAILYN, @me.com. I'd love to hear from you.
Fantastic. And we will also post this video on our website as well, thecreativecosmos.com. If you don't have a profile on there and you are creative, we invite you to go ahead and jump on in. Go on there. There's a free profile button. So go ahead and add your profile on there, and we'll add this video link. And again, 720-231-6797 is the phone number for more information on the class. And it sounds like a great event. Cheers.
Thank
Life
you.
is grand in the creative cosmos.
Life is short, it's up to us to make it sweet.
Sweet. Very nice.